Okay, tuloy tayo with this exercise number 12 na. The problem is 5x plus 7y equals 4. We are to solve for the value of x. Okay? So, madali lang to, no? So, again, we rewrite 5x. What will we do with the 7y? Itatranspose natin, ililipat natin sa kabila. Okay? So, what will remain in the left side of the equation, it will be 5x. Lilipat natin yung positive 7y sa right side of the equation. Again, what will happen to the sign from positive magiging negative? Magiging negative 7y. This is positive plus 4. Okay. So, yan, no? Then, to get the value of x, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. This one by 5. Okay, 5 divided by 5 will be equal to 1. So, 1x or x, no? So, what is the value of x? It's negative 7y plus 4 over 5. Ayan, ganyan lang ka-easy, no? Ka-easy itong number 12. Okay? So, no other operation, no? Kasi hindi naman natin pwedeng i-add yung 7y and 4, no? Magkaiba silang terms. Okay, so yan yung final answer sa exercise number 12. Okay?